Hi, this is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair with my friend Peter Marshall from Marshall Insurance. And I've been in the business for over 25 years, and I've probably seen about 8 or 10 of these situations where a house was struck by lightning and the lightning bolt actually came down through the house to the foundation and cracked it. Now, Peter, if that happens, is the person covered under a regular homeowner's insurance?
Typically, regarding homeowners insurance, when you hear lightning, yes, whatever the loss is, whatever the damage is, it's going to be covered. And that is true for the foundation as well. The foundation is limited as far as what it is covered against. For example, settling, shrinking, things like that, bulging, cracks that develop over time from settling, that's not going to be covered. Property insurance is really designed for sudden and accidental types of losses. So anything that occurs over time, which foundations especially are subject to being underground most of the time, is not going to be covered. But something sudden and accidental, like lightning, is going to be covered.
I do see also once in a while a car going out of control and hitting a foundation and causing damage. So
Yeah.
that is covered, isn't it?
It is, yes. And if the person driving the car is not the homeowner, it would be that person's auto insurance, their liability on their auto that would pay for it. If the homeowner drives into their own house, yeah, it would still be covered, subject to their property deductible.
Peter, very interesting to know, and I hope nobody runs into this problem. But if you do, there's a foundation company that I know that can take care of it, A1 Foundation Crack Repair. Thank you very much.